Today I'm taking you to the new viral coffee spot called Circl. As you can see here from the outside, it's not easy to spot, but it's located right across from a church on the corner. This is the entrance. The doors looks really small. Normally it's really busy, but I came around 10 a.m. on Saturday and there were plenty of places to sit, as you can see. Well, I really like this combination of the green with the natural tones. It feels really calm. They offer a selection of specialty coffees, a wide range of matcha with very unique flavors you won't find anywhere else, as well as sandwiches and sweets. I've ordered the Matcha Cloud and it was absolutely delicious. I recommend this one, along with the za'atar whipped feta avocado toast. It was also really good. Now we're on a beautiful street called Passeig de Gràcia, and I want to take you to one of the most stunning stores in the city of Massimo Dutti. The store is located just next to La Padrera. This isn't just a store, it's a perfect mix of art, history and style inside. And a fun fact, it used to be the house of the famous Spanish artist Ramon Casas. Right in the middle of the ground floor, you will see the stairs we need to go up. I love the high ceiling and this fireplace. While walking through the store, you'll see a lot of real art pieces that are constantly changing. And this room has a view of Passeig de Gràcia. It's really stunning. Normally this terrace is open and there used to be a Massimo Dutti coffee shop over there, so I hope they're gonna open anytime soon. Now I'm gonna take it to the fermentation class. I've been making a kombucha and sauerkraut. We were given a hongo kombucha, which is apparently called a SCOBY in English. So you add the black tea, sugar, kombucha and SCOBY into a jar and leave it to ferment for about 2 weeks. For the sauerkraut, you shred the cabbage, add some salt, squeeze it for 10-15 minutes and it's done.